If my face look a little twisted up, ignore it. I just came from the dentist and my whole left side is so numb, and I'm grateful for that. I'm not complaining, but today is candle day, so we about to go into Bath and Body Works and grab us some candles. Girl, I gotta get off of camera. I shouldn't even be on camera talking to y'all like this. We have secured the candles. I'm so excited. The lines was not long and it was fully stocked with everything that I wanted. The only thing I couldn't find was some of the wallflowers that I was looking for. I'm sorry, I feel like my mouth is twitching. I feel like my mouth is twitching on y'all, but yeah, so I'm excited about that. I need to go and put something on my stomach so I could take an ibuprofen before this numbness wear off. But I didn't even introduce the vlog. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another Vlogmas episode. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. But today is December the 1st. I'm holding my face like this because I don't want y'all to see how twisted my mouth is. Today is December the 1st and my first Vlogmas video is going live, so I'm so excited about that. So excited! I'm about to go to Popeye's, girl, because I need to put something on my stomach real quick so I can take an ibuprofen before this numbness wear off. I'm gonna just get a mashed potato or something like that, something slight to eat. But I'm gonna give y'all a candle haul once I get in the house, and I'm about to make my video live. I want to make it live at least about 1 o'clock.
Today I have a special 11 piece for $19.49. Also we have the 3 piece with biscuits for $6.49. How can I help you?
I just wanted to get a I just wanted to get a small mashed potato.
Small mashed potato?
Yes, sir. How you doing? You know what, can I make that 2 small? 2? Yeah. I decided to get 2 just in case I can't eat nothing in the next 2 hours. I could snack on some mashed potatoes. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one. I came home to take my meds before the numbness wore off and I was knocked out. Do you hear me? I was snoring like a newborn baby. It's pouring down raining outside, but I want to go through these candles and show you all the candles that I purchased at today's Bath and Body Works annual sale. If you're unfamiliar, they have their 3 wick candles on sale for $9.99 and you can add your coupons on top of that. Let me see, what did I spend? I got 11 candles, I believe. No, I got 10 candles, and with my coupon I was able to get a free body wash or a skincare item as long as it was under $16.95. So I just grabbed the champagne toast that look like this. This is a body wash, and I love champagne toast, the candle, so I know this smells super good. I'm already familiar with the scent. Yes, it does. So definitely a good stocking stuffer. Let's move on to these candles, see what I got. Some of these scents I haven't smelled before, and it was kind of hard to smell it in the store. I was trying my best, but after like smelling 3 candles, girl, I was getting nauseous. I was like, enough is enough. Okay, enough is enough. But let's go through these candles and see what I got. So the first one that I'm showing you all is Japanese Cherry Blossom. Definitely familiar with this. This is an OG. Well, not so far as the candle, but the spray and the lotion and stuff like that. So this is what the packaging looks like, and let's see what it smells like. Yes, it smells like, let's see what scents is in this. Cherry Blossom, Asian Pear, Blushing Sandalwood with natural essential oils. So yeah, it smells really good. It smells, it's kind of powdery. Smells powdery. What? Can't even get my words out. I do like the scent. I probably would put it in my bathroom. So this next one is Cranberry Pear Bellini, and it looks like this. So I haven't smelled this one before. I did have the Peach Bellini, which I love, and I still have one, I believe, up there. If you can't see, girl, I still have some candles up there. They just there for decorations. I'm not burning those ones, but I do love the Peach Bellini. This is cranberry, and let's see what it says. It has pear nectar, sparkling red cranberries, lush apricots, tart black currant, and natural essential oils. Oh yeah, this smells so good. I like the smell of this one. I like this. It's nice and fresh, the smell. You could smell a lime in it. You could definitely smell a lime in it. Does it say lime? No, it don't even say lime, but it smells like lime to me. It smells good. I really like the smell. Where would I put this? Probably in another bathroom. Look at the packaging. That is so nice. Oh, is she black? So the next one I got is Vanilla Balsam made with essential oils, and it looks like this. I really just be going off of the packaging before I even smell it. If it attracts me from just looking at it, I'm gonna grab it up, but it definitely gotta smell good. It gotta smell good too, but look at the little decorations on it. Really nice and festive like that. So let's see what it smells like. Oh. this one. This one smells so good. What is in this? Vanilla balsam. So it has balsam fir, frosted vanilla, snow-capped pine needles. Oh, this smells so good. This is up there with sweater weather. I like this one. I wonder if they still got some online. I tried to grab one of each so I'll have different scents, but I really, really like that one. So the next one, oh, this is pretty. The next one that I grabbed is called In the Stars. And let's see what it has. Starflower, sandalwood, musk, radiant amber, and it's made with natural essential oils. All of them is made with natural essential oils, but look at how cute the packaging is on this one. It has gold glitter on it. I love the packaging of these. So let's see what it smells like. So this one smells more like a perfume scent, something you would light at night. I guess that's why it's called In the Stars. Make it make sense, right? It smells so good. But this is definitely something I would light at night. At night. It's like that soft, sexy smell. I can't even really explain. I'm not good with explaining smells, girl. Y'all just gotta go with the flow. But this one is definitely like a night sexy scent. Okay, let me get to the bottom. Hold up. All right, so let's grab the next one out. Oh, this is Champagne Toast. So this is an OG favorite of mine. This is one of my favorite scents. But this comes in some pink packaging. It's matte pink like that. Super cute. And let's see what the hints are. Bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerines. Love it. Smells so, so good. Smell it. Yeah. Don't it? Yeah, this is one of my favorite scents. Me and my husband both love this one. Not new to this, I'm true to this. So then the next one I got is Marshmallow Fireside. Y'all know this is my favorite one. And it has a flannel print on it like that. I already know what this smells like. I have this all throughout my house. I have the room sprays, I have the wallflowers. I burn this all year long. I don't care whether it's summer, winter, spring, or fall. This is all throughout my house. So in Marshmallow Fireside, it has toasted marshmallows, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, and crystallized amber. Smells so good. I'm gonna crack the whole day. Let me turn it around. So this next one is called Eucalyptus Rain, and it looks like this. I love the packaging. And for this one, it has aromatic eucalyptus, spearmint leaves, fresh spring rain. Girl, this smell like, what does this smell like? This reminds me of like a main deodorant.
What? What'd you just say?
Y'all don't take me serious, but take me serious. It smells like a male. It's not strong. It's giving me a man's deodorant. It smells so good though. It's not super strong. It smells so good. Y'all gotta smell it. Go smell this and tell me what you think. Let me know in the comment section below. So next I have White Barn Black Tie. Not new to this. I had this one before. I think in a spray. Yeah, I think I had it in a spray. I didn't have it in a candle, but in this one it has green sage, sandalwood, tonka bean. One more time. You could definitely smell the wood in this one. This one I probably will put outside, like under my canopy on the patio. If you haven't seen that vlog, girl, what you doing? Check it out. So next we have, laundry day. This one right here, if I'm not burning Marshmallow Fireside or sweater weather, laundry day. Definitely laundry day. I have some wallflowers in this one as well in my laundry room and in the bathroom. So yeah, I love the smell of this one. It's like fresh linen. It smells so good. It has fresh air, crisp eucalyptus, soft lavender. That's exactly what it smells like. Love this one. Love, love, love laundry day. And for the last candle, of course, I have sweater weather. I had to grab this one up. I think it was only 2 of these left in the store, but they changed the packaging, of course, for this year, and it's just so cute. Look at that. Nice, pretty blue. This is one of my favorites. This is actually my top favorite. And in sweater weather, it has fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic eucalyptus, fresh woods. Oh, it smells so freaking good. So let me see. My least favorite out of all the candles that I purchased, I don't even think I have a least favorite, but if it's one scent that I could do without, I would say it's the Eucalyptus Rain. This one, it smells good. I mean, all of them smell so good, but this one is probably my least favorite out of all the bunch. The rest of these, they're getting burnt.